Every rupee begins its journey from the finest raw cotton. Meticulous inspection ensures only premium fibers are selected. Impurities are removed, leaving pure fibers for paper production. Clean fibers transform into a smooth, uniform pulp.
Precision blending ensures the uniform texture essential for currency paper.
Sheets take shape, the foundation of every note. Pressure and heat prepare the sheets for security printing. Every sheet is measured and cut with utmost precision. Hidden patterns and fibers ensure each note is unique and secure. With the raw material perfected, the journey toward the rupee begins. Sheets arrive where ink and precision bring currency to life. Every line, curve, and emblem is printed with meticulous care. Transcription. Layer by layer, vibrant colors define the rupee's identity. Raised textures guarantee authenticity and a signature feel. Embedded threads make counterfeiting nearly impossible.
Every note receives its unique serial identity.
Invisible inks add a layer of protection and verification. Inspection at every stage ensures flawless currency.
Alignment ensures that each sheet proceeds perfectly through finishing. Every detail comes to life, defining the face of the Indian rupee.
Every hue is checked meticulously to maintain consistency across all notes.
Hidden images ensure authenticity, protecting every note from forgery.
Raised portraits and emblems are inspected with precision.
Embedded threads are scrutinized for perfect alignment and security.
Each note receives a serial identity, forming a traceable chain.
Amidst transcription, sheets are prepared for precise cutting, shaping every rupee. Precision cutting transforms sheets into recognizable currency. Sorting ensures as only flawless notes continue the journey.
Every bundle is checked and counted, maintaining total accuracy. With first assembly complete, each note stands ready for rigorous final inspection. Each watermark is verified, a silent signature of authenticity. Transcription. Precision embossing ensures tactile features are perfectly formed.
Advanced scanners confirm every security element is flawless.
Human eyes catch what machines might miss, ensuring perfection.
Hidden patterns become visible under specialized light, completing security verification.
Every embossed detail is scrutinized for clarity and precision.
High-speed counters guarantee accuracy in every bundle.
Bundling prepares notes for safe transport and storage. final checks uphold the highest standards of the Reserve Bank of India.
With every security and quality measure complete, the rupee is ready for circulation.
Every bundle undergoes one last count to guarantee absolute precision. Human oversight complements machines, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Bundled notes are prepared for secure transport and storage. Organized pallet assembly ensures safe movement to storage. Heavy machinery ensures each pallet reaches its designated place securely. Digital tracking guarantees accountability and traceability for every bundle.
Prepared pallets await transportation to banks across the nation.
Armored vehicles arrive to safely carry the nation's currency. Every pallet is secured, ensuring safe transport to banks and institutions.
From raw fibers to secure transport, the rupee's journey is complete. The rupee begins its journey from the factory to every corner of India.
Regional centres receive and prepare currency for local banks.
Every pallet is accounted for, maintaining traceability and security.
Precision sorting ensures smooth distribution to branches nationwide.
Security is paramount as the currency prepares for circulation.
From centralized hubs, the rupee flows into local economies.
Every note is delivered under strict supervision for safe distribution.
Bank tellers prepare currency for the hands of millions.
And finally, the rupee reaches the people, completing its journey from cotton to cash. From raw fibers to cash in the hands of millions, this is how the Indian rupee is produced.